My name's Josh Cohn. I'm here with Carroll.News. We're here at the No Kings March in Westminster, and we're going to interview a couple people. Are you the organizer of this event?
I am, along with Jessica. It's both of us.
Can you tell me how you went about organizing this event and why?
Yeah, so we are Indivisible Carroll County. So we are a chapter of Indivisible National, and they announced a No Kings Day on June 14th to protest specifically Donald Trump's multi-million-dollar military, birthday parade in D.C. And so we registered to have an event. A lot of folks here said they couldn't make it to Baltimore or D.C. They wanted something in Carroll County. We had over 400 RSVPs to this event, and clearly there's more than that. So people are pretty excited to stand up to what's going on in D.C.
Let's have a warm welcome for our next speaker.
Tom, why are you here today?
Protesting the injustice that's going on in this country. The rule of law should be followed, and the national federal government is no longer doing that.
We are here as soldiers in the war on the poor, and this administration has accelerated the attacks on the poor, threatening to cut even more people off of Medicaid, reduce SNAP benefits even further, and many other atrocities that are just horrifying. It's going to mean people are going to suffer. More people are going to die. It's unconscionable and immoral in the richest nation in the world that we should have people dying of poverty every day.
I lived this. I lived homelessness. I lived the affordable health care. I was out on the streets, so this all means so much more to me, and that's why I'm part of the organization.
I believe the people who voted for this president did not understand that things weren't going to be fixed, that were broken, that things were going to be destroyed and built in a totally different way. We need our country back and run properly as everyone expected it to be done. Give us our democracy and treat people fairly.
I mean, it's interesting because everyone says that Carroll County is a very red county, but then we have a huge amount of people showing up, and even you hear all the honks on the street. I just think that the red voters are louder than we are. I don't necessarily believe that this is a red county.
Now, do you believe that this is going to make an impact in Carroll County?
I think it will. I believe that it's going to make an impact because people will see that they're not alone if they don't agree with the Trump administration. Like Jessica said, everyone believes this is a very red county, but there are people that keep coming to us saying, I'm just so excited that I'm not the only one who is opposed to Trump and all he's doing. I think that mobilizing people here and letting them know there's an outlet, even just for political dialogue, will be helpful. Yeah, and we're trying to get the news out about programs like Head Start being defunded, and that's a really important service here in Carroll County. So I think that the more that people understand what's happening and we're able to get that news out, the more that people will feel encouraged and try and change things.